Using the self-painting canvas. Thanks to Elon Musk and modern technology, we are now able to buy self-painting canvases that we don't have to actually paint ourselves. Amazing, right? It has a sleek design, built just like a normal canvas. All you have to do is set down this special brush and the colors you would like. Brush 1, 2, and 3 times, and look at that masterpiece you've got. On this next example, the client wanted a sunset, so he or she will set down the colors they would like for a sunset. And then again, 1, 2, and 3 simple strokes of the brush, and look at that masterpiece. Beautiful, right? All from this simple canvas. Results may vary, but once again, 1, 2, and 3 strokes. This magic brush is sold separately. These brushes have fine bristles and are stainless steel. We also have a slightly bigger size of canvas. If you want a dragon, for example, place a dragon statue on the canvas and repeat the same steps to create another masterpiece. Look at that detail, it almost looks like a real person painted it. You can use this to trick all your friends and family to thinking you're a real artist. Side effects may include bleeding, death, or even hallucination. Contact us at this number for any questions. Results may vary, each sold separately.